Welcome back to Livewired. I'm preparing to cover Superbooth convention this weekend. The biggest challenge is balancing high-quality audio and video with maximum mobility. Today I'm breaking down my complete run-and-gun setup for shooting gear demos and interviews on a crowded show floor. I'm heading to Superbooth this week, and my rig relies entirely on the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P paired with the DJI Mic 3. Let's look at why I chose this specific configuration, how I have set it up for efficiency, and exactly what goes into my backpack for a full weekend of shooting. Let's start with the foundation of the entire rig, the bag itself. I'm using the Essence backpack. It's compact but specifically designed to hold everything I need for a full day on the floor. The main compartment easily fits my 16-inch MacBook Pro along with all the DJI gear. Inside, I also keep a separate soft case packed, a mobile interface, cables and power banks. A major plus for me are the hidden pockets. They are perfect to securely stash in extra iPhones and small accessories. Finally, the exterior allows me to strap a tripod directly to the bag, keeping my hands free. So in goes my MacBook Pro and the power supply. And now the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P and the DJI Mic 3. I first put them in their bags and then stash them in the side compartments of the backpack. And of course, don't forget the cables. The next important thing is an extra soft case, where I will put my power banks, SSD drives, cables, and my audio interface. In goes my audio interface, Universal Audio Volt 276, to record audio gear in high quality. This interface delivers good quality and can be used with your smartphone, and I will track the output of the audio gear I'm gonna be testing to a second smartphone. A small rig monitor for monitoring the video signal, and just in case, a Fender Mustang Micro if there's any guitars to test. And of course more cables. Audio adapters, USB-C, Thunderbolt, power, and so on. For audio monitoring and editing in the hotel room, I'll take with my Sony MDR 7506 headphones. And there's still space for an extra tripod as well. The backpack is water resistant, which is important in case I'm shooting outside. And finally, I'm attaching my main tripod to the backpack. Now let me show you how I set up the video rig. I will use my iPhone 17 Pro Max as my main video camera, and I'll attach it to the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. And I will also use the DJI Mic 3, and I'll connect the receiver straight to the iPhone, so my audio gets recorded directly into the video. And a small tip here, if you have a big phone, you've got to attach it slightly off-center to the clamp, otherwise the receiver will touch the gimbal in the vertical mode. Now a quick test to see how the setup works. So this is my setup for the upcoming convention. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.